foods we shouldn't eat in winter. Fresh, juicy products might seem like a great option to brighten your winter days. However, we need to keep in mind that in these colder months, most of them get shipped from warmer regions. During this process, their beneficial features can fade away, leaving them with little to no nutritional value. In fact, some tasty goods that are produced locally can actually be rather harmful when consumed in winter. Strawberries and blueberries. Summer is the best time for growing berries. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, which forms collagen, and blueberries can help to prevent skin cancer and boost brain activity. But it's best to consume only locally grown berries. Those that are getting shipped from many kilometers away won't have much flavor or nutrients. If you still want to enjoy them, then you can opt for frozen variants. Corn on the cob. Corn grows only in the summer and in no other seasons. So the corn on the cob that you find in your local supermarket may not be as fresh as you think. Instead, they may be either frozen or left over from the previous summer. The region that can be an exception here is Florida. There, corn usually starts to mature in late January. Dairy products. Some dairy products like curd and milk should be consumed with care in winter. Curd can increase the mucus secretion from the glands and can impact the overall state of the body. People who already have coughs or colds or who suffer from asthma can worsen the problem by consuming it. That's because milk can cause phlegm. It turns out, sugar can promote depressive moods, especially in winter. Sugar intake triggers the inflammation processes in your body and reduces the release of dopamine, an element that plays a role in how we feel pleasure. Winter is already a rather gloomy season for many, and extra consumption of added sugars can make it even worse. Red meat. Red meat is a great source of protein that is necessary for strengthening muscles and metabolism. However, frequent consumption of it can cause a concentration of mucus in your throat. It's better to choose to eat chicken or fish during this season.